What if the biggest drone launch of 2026 isn't about flying longer or shooting sharper, but about changing what a drone can actually do? Because right now, new FCC filings have revealed major details about the upcoming DJI Avata 360, and this isn't just another leak. This is the clearest look yet at what could become the world's first true hybrid FPV and 360 drone. If you're a creator, drone pilot, or tech enthusiast, this is the breakdown you need. Let's start with the biggest debate the drone community has been having for months. Will the Avata 360 weigh under 250 grams? The FCC documents have finally answered that question. No, it won't. And honestly, that's a good thing. Because this drone isn't designed to be ultralight. It's designed to deliver something no other drone currently offers: high-speed FPV performance combined with full professional 360-degree capture. And that kind of power needs serious hardware. The filings reveal a battery capacity of around 38.6 watt-hours. That's about a 26% increase over the previous Avata model. But the extra battery isn't just for longer flight time. It's there to power two complete imaging systems at once. The Avata 360 is expected to use dual fisheye cameras, each running its own high-resolution sensor and processing pipeline. Add a rotating camera mechanism, powerful motors, advanced flight control, and onboard stabilization, and you can see why this drone needs more power. And yes, more weight. Estimates suggest the final weight could exceed 320 grams. But here's the key point. Every gram serves a purpose. The reinforced frame improves durability. The larger battery supports high-performance processing. And enhanced cooling helps the system run at full power without overheating during aggressive flight. Because this drone isn't meant for slow cinematic hovering. It's built for action. Now let's talk about the most exciting feature, the rotating camera system. Unlike traditional drones, the camera here isn't fixed. In FPV mode, it faces forward to give you that immersive pilot perspective. Switch to 360 mode, and the lens is automatically repositioned to capture a full spherical view, without props or the drone body blocking the shot. That means you can fly first, and decide your camera angles later during editing. One flight, unlimited perspectives. And DJI didn't stop there. Leaked images suggest the camera is protected inside a reinforced cage, making it far more durable than traditional exposed 360 setups. That's critical for proximity flying, tight spaces, and high-speed action where crashes are always a risk. So why is DJI building this now? Because the competition is heating up. Companies like Insta360 are preparing their own dedicated 360 drones for cinematic use. But DJI isn't trying to compete in the cinematic space. They're creating something different, a drone that combines FPV agility with immersive 360 capture, perfect for mountain biking, skiing, car chases, travel content, and high-speed cinematic action. In other words, DJI isn't entering the 360 market. They're creating a new category. The FCC documents also reveal a powerful internal system, including dual processors for real-time 360 stitching and ultra-low latency FPV transmission, plus upgraded cooling and high-performance motors designed for stability during aggressive maneuvers. Put it all together, and the strategy becomes clear. This isn't a lightweight beginner drone. It's a creator platform, a single machine that replaces the need for separate FPV and 360 setups. And if the current timeline is accurate, the official launch could happen as early as March 2026. So here's the real question. Would you choose a lighter drone, or one that lets you capture everything, from every angle, in a single flight? Because if these leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 isn't just another upgrade. It's the future of action aerial content.